afternoon. We are here in Titiwangsa Monorail Station. Ayan. Welcome to my vlog, Mama Litz Vlog. I'm here again. Ipapakita ko kung nasaan ako ngayon. Andito tayo sa sa Monorail LRT Station. Ayun ang nasa baba, guys. Ayan. At ayan din ang playground doon. At ayan. Ayan, oh.
Let's go to...
What? There's a toilet. There's no toilet there. May apo ni Audrey. Later there. We have to put there. Very nice. Very near only. Dito tayo sa Titiwangsa Monorail Station. There's a toilet over there. Yes, I know. Yeah, there is toilet there. Go faster. I wait for you. Ay, apo itong kasama kong ito.
Can you hold my phone? Please.
Faster, I'm leaving already, ah. There's a monorail already. I leave. Faster, there. You are a big one. Ay, nakaka-stress may kasamang bata. Ayan, oh. Andito tayo sa taas. Ayan, oh. Ayan ang sasakyan sa baba. Ayan. Ito ang monorail station ng Titiwangsa. At doon naman sa kabila is train station. Ayan, oh, sa kabila doon. Is train station Rapid GL. Ayan. Yan doon sa kabila. So, ngayon, dito tayo sa monorail station ng Titiwangsa. Papunta tayo sa sa Quel Mall daw. Yan ang gusto ni kakain daw kami doon sa Quel Mall. So daan muna kami doon kami manananghalian daw. Yan ang view ng monorail station ng Titiwangsa. And sa kabila naman is train Rapid GL. Ayan, oh, sa kabila, guys. Ayan. Sa kabila is train station. Ayan. Sa baba, sa underground dito is MRT Titiwangsa. MRT. Tatlong dito. Monorail, train station, Rapid GL, and MRT. Ayan. Nasa underground ang MRT. Ayan, o. Ayan. Ayan ang view dito. And Quel mo? Oh, cleaning.
And I accidentally go to the boy toilet.
And then?
Then after, I was shocked. And mix it.
And then you pee there, ah?
No.
Why you didn't pee?
To stop my pee.
Oh yeah, why you stop it? You must continue lang. Ayan, mga building doon, oh.
Hello.
Anong hulo-hulo
Look
ka?
at my face.
No. Yan ang view dito sa labas ng monorail station. Ayan, oh. Ay, andyan na pala. Oh my goodness. Come. Ayan, oh. Dito na pala Pastor Audrey. Andito na ka pala hindi ko nakita. Pumasok na kami sa monorail station. Ayan,
senior citizens and disabled persons. Thank you.
Nandito na kami sa monorail monorail station. Kasama ko itong makulit na to.
I'm not makulit.
You're not makulit na.
Ang tisit.
You're makulit. Hey.
Sorry.
Yan. Yan ang monorail. Nasa loob na kami ng monorail, guys. What happened?
Nothing.
Ah.
See, you're just pushing that one. That's all.
I'm pushing. I'm pushing. You know? Dito kami sa loob ng monorail na. Who? He doesn't want to sit. He doesn't want to sit. Ayan, magsarado na ang monorail. Ayan.
He's makulit.
What makulit?
He's touching this fish.
Ano? Ayan, paalis ng aming monorail. Oh, punta kami. Chowkit daw. Ayan o. Sa labas ng monorail. Chowkit. Ayan ang labas ng monorail, guys. Ayan. Dito na tayo. Papunta sa Chowkit.
I'm scared.
You sit. Sit.
This is the earlier that we see, guys. Earlier we see this place. And I tell Lula if we can
Building, bagong building na naman.
next time.
Bagong building na naman, oh. Malaking building na naman.
That one is for the car parking.
Oh. Yan.
I feel like I'm going to fall down.
You fall down, ah.
At first, this place is not nice, right?
What is not nice?
At first, this place is not nice, but after that, it's nice. And I say,
Yan, oh. Tingnan nyo yan, oh. Haunted house. Parang haunted house. Yan, oh. Red ang kulay na may mga napalibutan ng mga punong kahoy. Pusat Transit Galandangan Anjong Kambara. Ay, ganun pala yun. Ayan, oh. Ayan ang dinadaanan namin, guys. Ito ang dinadaanan namin. Ayan, dito kami sa loob ng monorail, guys. Yan ang aming dinadaanan. Ayan, oh. Nagsisilakihang building. Ayan, oh. Kahit maraming building, marami din punong kahoy, guys. Ayan. Ayan, oh. May mga, may renovation dito. Oh. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view dito. Oh, malapit na tayo. We are very near na. Yan din ang restaurant. Night food panda. Yan, malapit na tayo. This one is what? Chowkit. I know, not yet. Not yet. It's Chowkit.
I'm scared this one I fell down.
Where are we going? Ampanga. Are you sure Ampanga? Not Quilmola.
I thought you said green.
Yeah, Quilmol, and then I said Ampang, and then I changed my mind. Quilmol again.
Okay, good.
We going to eat only there, ah?
Yeah, I want to eat. Yay! Thank
Don't
you,
play
Lord.
there, ah? Thank you, Lord, no?
You're the best of it.
Yeah, you eat there, ah? We go and eat only, and then we going back.
Doors closing.
What? So, you must ready. Ha? Where you want to send? Ito lang amin nga, mom. Ano, meron ding paano na monorail. Ayan na. Medan Bangko. You must ready, ah.
LRT Lan Lan Ampang
We're going down to Medan Bangko.
Next station, Medan Bangku. Connecting station to LRT Hougang Line and LRT Singapore Line.